Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, we'll show you how to change Leetcode to dark mode for a more comfortable coding experience. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Leetcode website and log into your account. Logging in is required because theme settings only appear for signed-in users. Step 2. Click the Problems option from the top navigation bar. This confirms you are inside the main Leetcode interface. Step 3. If dark mode doesn't activate, click your profile picture in the top right corner. This opens your account settings menu. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, click Appearance. This is where Leetcode's theme options are located. Step 5. Select Dark to enable dark mode. The screen should switch instantly to a darker theme. Step 6. Refresh the page once if the theme doesn't change right away. This helps apply the setting properly. Step 7. If needed, repeat the steps by opening Appearance and selecting Dark again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.